Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your trainer Ikra Khan and welcome to this channel English Learning Point. I am here with a new topic and this is indefinite pronoun. As I have taught you in my previous videos about pronouns, about all the types of pronoun like personal, possessive, interrogative, reflexive, relatives, all the types I have already taught in my previous videos. So right now I'm teaching you about indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, place or things. It does not specify for any particular things or for any particular person, right? For example, place, things, people. If these all are the particular things, so these will be the another pronoun. This will not be an indefinite pronoun, right? So here place, we don't know which place, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. Things, something, anything, nothing, everything. People, someone or somebody, anyone or anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody. Pronouns ending in one or body are used to refer people. Pronouns ending in things are used to refer things. And pronouns ending where are used to refer places, as here in this chart we have already learned that we are referring here with one and body, we are referring here people, and with things we refer things here, and with where we refer places over here, right? So here we don't know that which person, which things, and whose people. We don't know about any particular things and places. That is why we are using these indefinite pronouns, right? When we don't know about masculine and when we don't know about feminine, there we use indefinite pronouns. Singular indefinite pronouns. We use a singular verb after an indefinite pronoun. We use a singular verb after an indefinite pronoun. Everything was ready for the party. So here was is a singular verb we are using with indefinite pronoun. Neither of us is available for the committee is a indefinite pronoun. Each member of the family has a flu. Each member of the family, each here is an indefinite pronoun and has is a singular verb. Everyone works well together. Everyone is here is an indefinite pronoun and works is a singular verb. Plural indefinite pronouns. When we refer back to an indefinite pronoun, we normally use a plural pronoun. For example, when we refer back to an indefinite pronoun. For example, everybody enjoyed the concert. They stood up and clapped. Everybody enjoyed the concert. हर किसी ने कॉन्सर्ट एंजॉय किया. They stood up and clapped. यहाँ पर ये जो they यूज किया है सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है, इट्स अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, सो इट रेफर्स बैक टू एवरीबडी. यहाँ पर ये जो दे है ये रेफर बैक करता है एवरीबडी को, इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन को. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन में पढ़ा है कि व्हेन वी रेफर बैक टू एन इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन वी नॉर्मली यूज अ प्लूरल प्रोनाउन. सो हियर दे इज व्हाट इट रेफर्स बैक टू एवरीबडी. I will tell somebody that dinner is ready. They have been waiting for a long time. So here somebody is an indefinite pronoun and they have been waiting for a long time. Here they, it refers to this somebody and it is indefinite pronoun. Many were hoping for a better outcome. Many were hoping for a better outcome. Means most of the people were there who were hoping for the better outcome. So here many is an indefinite pronoun and they are hoping for the better outcome. So it refers to the indefinite pronoun many. Few were optimistic about this ball game. Few here it's an indefinite pronoun. So now possessive indefinite pronoun. We can add s apostrophe s to an indefinite pronoun to make a possessive, right? As we learned about possessive pronoun in our previous video, possessive pronoun, what were those possessive pronouns? What were these possessive pronouns? It was like that. It is mine, it is hers, it is my sister's. So these were possessive pronouns. And in this case, how can we use these possessive indefinite pronoun in our sentences? So we can learn through that. They were staying in somebody's house. So here somebody is what? Somebody is indefinite pronoun and as well it is possessive indefinite pronoun. That they were staying in somebody's house. कि वो रह रहे थे किसी के घर. Is that anybody's coat? क्या ये किसी का कोट है, क्या ये आप में से किसी का कोट है? So here it is an possessive indefinite pronoun. We use l after indefinite pronoun to refer to other people or things. जब हम किसी दूसरे शख्स और किसी दूसरी चीज को रेफर कर रहे होते हैं, then we use what? Then we use else. If Michael can't come, we'll ask somebody else. अगर माइकल नहीं आ सकता तो फिर हम जो किसी और से पूछेंगे. जैसे कि हमने अपनी डेफिनेशन में कहा कि it refers to other people or things, else it refers. I think this is somebody else's coat. मेरे ख्याल से ये किसी और का कोट है. So here else is, it refers to other people or things, right? Cleared? So here I want to go somewhere nice in the weekend. Somewhere is what? Somewhere, it shows here place and it is an indefinite pronoun. Someone broke my window. Someone broke my window. Who broke my window? I don't know who broke my window. When I don't know, अगर यहाँ पर किसी शख्स का नाम होता कि Ali broke my window, so we can use over here he. Or Seema broke my window, so we could use over here she, right? But right now we do not know that who broke our window. That is why I'm using here someone broke my window. Has anyone called me? क्या मुझे किसी ने कॉल की थी, या फिर क्या मुझे किसी ने कॉल की है? I don't know who called me. When I don't know, that is why I'm using putting over here indefinite pronoun, right? He has nowhere to go. Can he stay with us? He has nowhere to go. उसके पास कोई जगह नहीं है जाने की. Can he stay with us? क्या वो हमारे साथ रह सकता है? Nowhere to go. उसके पास कोई स्पेस नहीं है. Sometimes I just need someone to talk to. Sometimes I just need someone. कभी कभी मुझे दिल चाहता है कि मैं बस किसी से बात करूं. So someone to talk to. I don't know any particular person. मैंने किसी एक बंदी का नाम नहीं लिया कि मैं उससे बात करना चाहती हूँ या उससे बात करना चाहती हूँ, whatever. When I don't know, so I'm using here indefinite pronoun and this is someone. He needs to find somewhere to live. उसको ज़रूरत है कुछ रहने की जगह, somewhere. I don't know where. I have lost my keys. I can't find them anywhere. मैं अपनी कीज खो चुकी हूँ and I can't find them. मैं उनको नहीं ढूंढ पा रही हूँ किसी जगह से. So here I don't know from where these keys are, so that is why I'm putting here indefinite pronoun. This is place. Everyone wants to be hero but no one wants to die. Everyone wants to be hero means हर कोई हीरो बनना चाहता है, but no one wants to die, लेकिन कोई मरना नहीं चाहता. So here everyone is an indefinite pronoun and we don't know. Everyone means हर कोई चाहता है, कोई एक स्पेसिफिक बंदे की बात नहीं हो रही है. क्लियर हो गई इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन के बारे में कि जब किसी एक स्पेसिफिक बंदे की बात नहीं हो रही होती है, किसी की भी बात हो रही होती है, when we don't know about any specific person, place or things, there we use indefinite pronoun. Everything was ready for the party. हर कोई जो है रेडी था पार्टी के लिए. So here everything was ready for the party. हर चीज थी पार्टी के लिए रेडी, हर चीज पार्टी के लिए रेडी थी. So here everything. Someone knows where she is. Someone knows where she is. कि किसी को पता है कि यहाँ पर वो कहाँ थी. Where she is कि वो कहाँ है. Where she is, sorry, we will be using here question mark because this is the question. Someone knows where she is. क्या किसी को पता है कि वो कहाँ है? क्योंकि we don't know where she is, so that is why I'm putting here indefinite pronoun, that is someone. They were staying in somebody's car. वो रह रहे थे किसी की कार में. So somebody's car, किसकी कार में रह रहे थे? Somebody, किसी की कार थी. We didn't mention the name of that person over here, so that is why we are using somebody's car. So thank you for this. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like this video, whatever I have taught you. So please let me know, and if there is any question regarding this video still, so please do comments. I will let you know inshallah. Thank you so much.